Variable is very essential in programming. We can't do any serious programming activity without involving variable, and I feel at this stage we need to learn about variable. Variable in high level programming is a reference or address to a value, and that value is stored in a memory location, and the value is the reference, or the value is assigned to the variable name, and the variable refers to the value whenever the variable appears, or the value is the variable whenever the variable is appeared where a value is expected. It's kind a bit confusing. Let me repeat myself. A variable is a reference or address to a value. Address because it is a pointer to a value stored in a memory location. It is not actually the value, but it is a pointer. The computer use it to locate the value. The value is actually stored, or the data is actually stored in a memory. Okay, but then it is very difficult for a human being to memorize data that makes sense to computer, that is at the machine level. Okay, it makes more sense for human being to memorize or recall names. Okay, so it is for that reasons that we name data, and that name is called variable. Okay, whatever variable is for you in other fields, but take it as I explained it here. Okay, and so the data is stored in a memory location. Okay, but we assign the data to the variable, and the variable refers to the value when the variable appeared where a value is expected. Okay, so let's look at how we can create a variable. A variable is created with an statement known as assignment statement, using the assignment operator. This is an addition of operator to the list of all operators we know in Python programming. The assignment operator is represented with the equal sign. So it should be noted that the equal sign here is not the same as used in math. In math, it means equals to. Okay, but let's continue reading. Here it means assigned to, not equal to, as used in math. So the equal sign, when you see it here, it should be read as assigned to. It doesn't mean equal to. Okay, it means assigned to. Assigned to. Get used to this, please. Okay, so an assignment statement consists of three things. The name of the variable to be created, or to which a value is going to be assigned. That is the first thing, the name of the variable. An assignment operator. Can you see the assignment operator, the equal sign? And the value to be assigned or assigned to the variable. Three things, the name of the variable, the assignment operator, and the value to be assigned to the variable. An assignment statement consists of these three things. Let's look at examples of assignment statement, or how a variable can be created. Example 1. Read it as I do, please. Isa is assigned to name. Okay, you shouldn't read it as name is equal to Isa. No, this is not a math class, it is a programming lesson. So Isa is assigned the value Isa. As you can see, Isa is a string, okay, containing the characters ISA. Okay, is assigned to name. Okay, and the second example is true is assigned to is good. Here is good is the name of the variable. Okay, and in the example 1, name is the name of the variable containing or holding a reference to Isa, which is stored in a memory location. And example 3, 26 is assigned to H. Okay, H is the name of the variable. And example 4, this is a list containing names like Nura, Musa, Hawa, Sadi. And this list is assigned to family. Family here is the name of the variable holding the list. Okay, so on input of name, what we get as the output Isa, because this name, whenever it appears in a place where a value is expected, the value in the name or in the variable name will be interpreted as the name by the computer. Okay, so name and the output is Isa, because the name here is holding, Isa is assigned to name. Whenever name appears, it means Isa. And here is good is a variable appearing at a place where a value is expected, and the output, as it can be seen, is true, because is good is holding true. This is where true is assigned to its good variable. Okay, family is given as an input here, line 7, and the output is a list of Nura, Musa, Hawa, Sani. Okay, because this list is was initially assigned to family. So whenever family appears, it means the list assigned to it. And age as input, the output is 26, because initially 26 was assigned to the variable age here, and this age refers to 26 when it appears where a value is expected. Thank you.